Welcome back students. So today we are going to start bridge course for class 9th and 10th standard. Okay children. So before starting the bridge course for class 9th and 10th standard, yesterday we discussed the syllabus of bridge course. So you already know that what is the meaning of the bridge course. Yes children. Here what we understood the meaning of the bridge course, that is to fill the gap that has been taken place in teaching and learning process. Okay children, so here before starting the bridge course, I would like to tell some points regarding the modern Europe. When children, in modern Europe, renaissance has been taken place. You know very well what is the meaning of the renaissance means here children, rebirth or new awakening. Okay, so the new beginning has been taken place in the Europe. So the people became aware of rationalistic and humanistics and engaged in seeking the truth. So the people wanted to end the dark age and start the modern age. Okay children, so like this the new beginning, the renaissance has started beginning. Okay, so children, here you can see that many people, due to the invasion, they went as a refugee to the Italy. Due to this reason, in the Italy, first and foremost thing, renaissance has been taken place in Italy only. Okay, later on slowly it spread to other parts of Europe. Okay children, so here you can see that why the renaissance has been taken place. Well, many thinkers like Peter Abelard, Roger Bacon, John Wycliffe, and other rationalists questioned the superstitions practiced by the Catholic Church. So, in the Catholic Church, children, here you can see that blind belief and superstitions were in practice. So, our political thinkers, they started constant questioning regarding these superstitious practices. Okay, and became the reason for the beginning for a big movement. So this was the first reason for renaissance. And the second thing was that in 1453 CE, the Ottoman Turks, they attacked Constantinople. So Constantinople, this was only the gateway of European trade with Asia and got hold of the city. Okay children, so through this only there was a trade relationship that has been taken place between Asia and Europe. Okay, then the intellectuals of the Constantinople fled to Italy along with their books and became the reasons for the Renaissance. Okay, so this was the second reason. And in 1455 CE, German by name Gutenberg invented printing machine that led to the printing of books. This facilitated the spread of knowledge very fastly. This was the third reason. And the fourth reason is that the kings, popes and the rich patronized the intellectuals in Europe. Pope Nicholas III, Pope Leo X, the Queen Elizabeth I sheltered many intellectuals and aided the growth of knowledge. Okay, this was the fourth reason. The new geographical inventions and crusades introduced many new places in the east. Okay, so like this children, here all these situation of the renaissance, this gave birth for the geographical exploration. Okay, so children, here you can see that the literature has been developed. Okay, so new scientific invention has been taken place. Well, scientists like Kepler, Galileo, Newton, they came along with their laws. Okay children, so next here how the geographical exploration has been taken place. Okay, what were the main reasons? Well, children, many European languages like Italian, French, Germany, English, Spanish and other languages achieved good development, and children, here people were very much curious and they wanted to develop themselves, okay, for the growth of human interest, which facilitated the geographical discoveries. Okay, geographical exploration has been taken place. Okay, children, you have a question in your mind. So which country has been developed the geographical exploration? Well, in the 16th century, this century is considered, mainly it is considered as a period of geographical explorations. Till the end of the Middle Ages, Europeans were ignorant of geography. They did not have any knowledge of geography. So afterwards development has been taken place. European, they started finding new sea route to various parts of the world. The new continents of North America, South America and Australia came to light. Okay, children. So here, along with this, there was unnecessary to find out new geographical routes. So why this has been taken place, children? Well, the reasons were like this. Okay, so when we will talk about the reasons for geographical exploration, children, when the Turks, they conquered the city of Constantinople in 1453 CE. So this was the only place where there the trade relationship between Europe and Asia has been taken place, no, children. So here the Turks, what they did, they attacked and captured Constantinople in 1453. It closed the trade gates between east and west. With this, Turks started getting more profit out of spices imported from India. So this was the main reason, children. Okay, so along with this, due to this, the Europeans faced the very horrible condition, very terrible condition was there to contact with India, because India was really very rich and wealthy country, children. So it was necessary to find a new sea route to India. Okay, in this situation, children, the countries which engaged in geographical exploration after the Middle Ages were Portugal and Spain. Okay, so along with this, the sailors sent by Henry moved around for a long period, explored the west coast of the African continents and went a long distance towards the south. So here you can see that like this the geographical exploration has been taken place. Spain and Portugal, they were very much ambitious and competing with Arabs in sea trade. Local people and rich encouraged adventurous youth to venture into sea. Okay, so like this, discovery of new countries opened the possibility of spreading Christianity. Okay, children. So European curiosity was roused. Europeans were very much curious by these adventures. Nature of sea voyage towards eastern countries. They ventured to bring in spices like silk, cotton, muslin cloth, and these are very much important commodities. These were available in India only. Through these commodities, Italy were getting very much profit. Okay, children. So the experiments done during the Renaissance period had proved that the earth is round. Okay, here you can see that, children, for this experiment, Mariner's compass and astrolabe, these two equipments were played very important role for the sailing. Charts and maps were available to sail. Okay, the sailors sent to various places to acquire the new territories. Okay, children. So like this the situation has been taken place. Okay, so Marco Polo, so he also played very important role. He explained the richness of India and China in his book that is called as The Travels of Marco Polo. This book had his traveling experience to these countries. So whatever he has experienced, he has written in his book, which really attracted the Europeans to visit these countries. Okay, so like this, the geographical exploration has been taken place. And you know that children, Spain and Portugal, these two countries were there, which developed and they encouraged the sailing. Okay children, so next year, after this, the sailors sent by Henry, they moved around for a long period, explored the west coast of the African continents and went a long distance towards the south. Bartholomew Dias reached the southern tip of African continent and called it Cape of Good Hope. So Bartholomew Dias, he discovered Cape of Good Hope. So along with these children, in 1498, Vasco da Gama of Portugal sailed around the Cape of Good Hope, crossed the Indian Ocean and reached Calicut in India. Okay, so here you can see that the Constantinople, this was the only way to have a trade relationship between Asia and Europe, so which has been acquired by the Turks in 1453. So the hope has been lost to reach the India, but when Vasco da Gama through the Indian Ocean, he reached Calicut in 1498. Thus the dream of reaching India by Europeans came to be a reality. Like this, through this way, the Europeans started to entering in India. Okay children, so the next thing is that Christopher Columbus. Christopher Columbus, he was also a sailor of Genoa city, crossed the Atlantic Ocean with the help of the King of Spain, reached the Bahamas in West Indies. Okay, West Indies is also called as a Caribbean islands. Then Amerigo Vespucci of Italy moved to the west of the Europe and discovered America. America was discovered by Amerigo Vespucci. Then children, here you can see that the Spain was discovered by Christopher Columbus. West Indies was discovered by Bahamas. Okay, so while Portugal's, the next thing was that Portugal's Cabral reached Brazil in 1500 CE. Balboa climbed a hill near Panama Strait and saw the vast ocean to the west. That was the Pacific Ocean. Okay children, so like this, another one sailor, his name was what children? Ferdinand Magellan. So he was the first to go round the Cape of Good Hope. After traveling for 5 months, he reached the Philippines through the Indian Ocean. So like this, the geographical exploration has been taken place. Okay, so next here you can see that sorry children, he reached the Philippines through the Indian Ocean. So along with this, here Magellan's ship that has been passed between the Indonesian islands went round the earth and reached Spain via Cape of Good Hope. Like this, the geographical exploration has been taken place. So then, what are the effects of geographical exploration? Well children, Europeans could establish direct links with America, Africa and Asia. They earned a lot of wealth and also knowledge. So this was the first effect. The second thing is that the entire economy system of Europe underwent to change. Competition has been taken place. Okay, the prosperity of Italy and Germany declined and countries like France and England became powerful and built huge kingdoms. Like this, the effects has been taken place. England and France built new markets in America and India. They founded colonies in these places and earned more profit. The Christian preachers went to these new places and introduced their religion. These explorations facilitated the change or the exchange of ideas between the East and West, resulting in new knowledge. So, with the help of Magellan, it was practically proved that the earth is not flat but round. Okay, lastly children, here as the African slaves were utilized for the economical development of North America, the slave trade came into existence. So these were the important effects of geographical exploration. I hope the concept is clear. If you have any doubts and query, you can ask me. Thank you for watching this video children. Take care of yourself.